Hi, my name is Devin Tyson. I'm the project manager for David Mancini & Sons, and we're out here at the beautiful city of North Miami Beach, and we're doing a directional drill for a 14-inch water main.
We teamed up on this design build with Delta Consulting and Centerline Directional Drilling to mitigate the installation of a water main crossing across the Oleta River.
This is a project that is 10 years in the making. Right now we're replacing an 8-inch that is badly corroded.
The project presented some challenges in terms of design and permitting. Everything needed to take place in a very quick time frame. Environmental challenges included very heavy mangrove vegetation on the pipeline's alignment. It originally was intended to be replaced in kind, which would have had a major impact on all those mangroves. So we value engineered it, being able to salvage and avoid any impacts to all the environmental sensitive areas surrounding the site.
We're extremely happy to bring this project under budget and ahead of time to provide our residents the reliable water they deserve. And we are happy that we'll keep working in our CIP projects to bring you clean, reliable water.